Hey again. So I just wanted to explain a little bit about my astral tea really quickly. I wanted to explain why I put in what I did. Astral projection requires a lot of relaxation within your body. So I used lavender because it's extremely relaxing and calming. I used mugwort because it's the classic witch herb used for astral travel. It makes extremely vivid dreams and it's very relaxing, even though it's bitter and very toxic for pregnant women. So if you're that or trying to be, do not consume mugwort. Leave it out of the tea. And the can of tea for obvious reasons. I don't know if anybody knew, but when you use butter or oil, fatty oil, in any THC tea, it binds to the THC and makes it effective. Enjoy. So I'm sitting here in my office and writing and having a lovely time, and I decided to make some astral travel tea just because. So before I get it brewing, I wanted to show you I have some mugwort here, lavender, and then I have some canna tea here, which is stems, leaves, shake, etc. So I mixed those three in here. This is my IQ kettle, and I'm gonna brew it at the white tea setting. Don't forget the coconut oil. I have turned it on to make the coconut oil easier to get off the spoon, and am closing it. I added raw white honey, and the mugwort was a little bitter, so I added a lot of cream. Also unbleached sugar. Mugwort is unsafe for pregnant women or women who are trying to be. Hey guys! I just wanted to let every one of you know that I appreciate you beyond explanation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thanks for any shares and any business that you do with me. I enjoy helping and teaching, and I hope to do it with you guys as long as humanly possible. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.